banget pengen minum.
Gak mau minum.
Ya nih, seret nih. Ada yang punya minum nggak? Yang dingin-dingin gitu.
Itu Rizky lagi bawa apa tuh?
Oh iya ya.
Ki, sini dulu Ki.
Oh, kenapa nih?
Itu kamu bawa apa?
Mau tahu aja. Nah, teman-teman, ini namanya kulkas.
Kulkas tuh.
Iya, kulkas. Masa nggak tahu kulkas itu apa?
Kayak kotak ketiga ya?
Enggak, ini tuh kulkas, teman-teman.
Oh kulkas. Cobain ya Rizky. Boleh nggak?
Coba ya.
Oh, sok lah. Tuh ada selokan kan?
You got two black eyes from loving too hard, and a black car that matches your blackest soul. I wouldn't change it. Oh, wouldn't ever try to make you leave. No. Oh, the neon coaster was your sign, and the Midwest wind, your Pisces rising. Wouldn't change it. Oh, wouldn't ever try to make you leave. No. Static palms melt your vibe. Midnight whisperings. The black magic of a holy drive. Spilling balls on a desert sky. Drinking white wine in the bushy light. Just another LA devotee.
Udah jadi. Cobain.
Wah, iya dingin ya, bener. Coba ya.
Tidak.
Wah, gila, bener. Adem ya. Berhasil lo. Apa? Alat lo, Ki. Keren. Jadi lanjut makan lagi deh.
Ngomong-ngomong Ki, gimana cara bikinnya?
Nah, kalau cara bikinnya tuh begini.
I woke up in a stranger's bed with pins and needles in my head and the clock ticking off the wall. Oh yeah, oh yeah. I don't even know myself. I wish I could be someone else, but I don't have a clue at all. Oh yeah. I'm sinking. You're waiting. I'm thinking something's gotta give. Wake me up, saying nothing's enough. I'm dying to live. Something's gotta give. Pull me out of this sinking town. I'm dying to live. Something's gotta give. Maybe I'm a fucking My head is haunting me and my heart feels like a ghost. I need to feel something cause I'm still so far from home. Cross your heart and hope to die. Promise me you'll never leave my side. Show me what I can't see when the spark in my eyes is gone. You got me on my knees, I'm your one man call. Cross my heart and hope to die. Promise you I'll never leave your side. Cause I'm telling you, you're all I need. I promise you, you're all I see.
Ya guys, jadi seperti inilah cara membuat kulkas menggunakan Peltier seperti itu.
The hardest thing